Hi guys, good morning from Samoa. Okay, we've never been to this breakfast at the hotel we're staying, but today we thought we'd try it out. Can't leave this place and haven't had their breakfast, but usually it's like mostly the same thing, eh? Oh well. So I thought we're gonna have a breakfast here, me and my sister. There she is, right at the back. And at this place, you have to climb up one flight of steps, right? You have to climb up one flight of stairs. And I'm telling you, I am so puffed out. Who's laughing at me? Who's laughing at me? Okay. Yes, over there. Turn to the right. Hear my double chin. See, listen, there's a swimming pool down there. We gotta come for a swim. Did you bring up bikinis? Hey, Lucy.
Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Alright. How are you?
Good, thank you.
First time to come and try.
Breakfast?
Yeah.
Can I have a room number?
Oh, 118.
180. Okay, breakfast ready.
Thank you. Okay. Have we been missing out this breakfast, we'll see. Okay. Okay, I think I'll go for the heavy stuff. Okay, and my toast. Yeah. Oh my god, can you see me? You lost fly. Anyway guys, fly. Hey guys, this is my breakfast. Baked beans, scrambled eggs, French toast, slice of ham, and a couple of sausages. Okay, my sister got the pancakes, baked sausages, baked beans, and I got a coffee. Cheers, guys. Coffee. Do I get off my hand? No apply. Right. This is our first time today getting the complimentary breakfast that comes with the room. Okay, so now that I know it's this nice, I'm back again tomorrow. Yeah. So she can wait in the room and I'll come up and eat. I ordered a toast. I only wanted one. I forgot to eat. And never mind. I'm also going to try and see if she can finish it or ouch. I go ouch. Yeah, I put my thumb on my toast because the butter went in my toast. I mean the butter went on my thumb, right? So I put my, look at all this butter. Can't waste, mate, can't waste. So, let it dribble onto the toast. Yeah. Then I butter it, man. Butter it. Who's that kind of person that likes to butter all the edges? Hey? It's like when you miss a corner bite. You're probably thinking, why didn't she put some of the extra stuff on it, eh? Look. Try. Do not laugh. Another beautiful day here in Samoa, guys. And it's sweating already. Definitely. It's like an omelette now. But I'm sure when I started, it was rubbery. Back to you. Yesterday. Okay, yeah, so you guys, I'm having a good time. I forget what day it is today. So how, okay, what is it? Oh, it's onion. Oh, how lovely. They put onion in your baked beans, or was it this Fehmarn? Oh, nice. Look at that good sliced onions in your baked beans. I love it.